Hi everyone, I'm Janjua. I hope you all fine by the grace of Almighty Allah, as I am sharing with you the idiomatic expressions, and I have made the videos on it. Hopefully you have utilized all these expressions in your speaking modules, especially in the IELTS speaking, because the more you will utilize these expressions in your IELTS speaking, you can achieve more good bands. So today I have brought for you the idiomatic expression related to the things that confuse you. Most of the time, whenever we are asked the questions, so most of the things that we don't know and we are not sure about that. For example, someone asked you, do you like artificial intelligence? So the response is no, I don't like. And instead of saying I don't like, you can say, I can't make head or tail. The expression is, I can't make head or tail. Do you like artificial intelligence? I'm afraid I can't make head or tail on it. It means that it's very confusing and you don't like it. The next one is, I can't get my head around it. I can't get my head around it. Well, the next one is, to be all Greek to someone. To be all Greek to someone, it means that beyond understanding. For example, things are, they are talking about emergency. It's all Greek to me. It's all Greek to me. It means that you are not sure, you are not in proper understanding. The next one is clear as mud. Once again, it's a confusing. Clear as mud. His directions are clear as mud. For example, his directions are not clear, not sure. So you can utilize these expressions whenever someone is asking you about the things and you are not sure, you are in confused state of mind related to the things or the persons. Okay? Hopefully you will utilize these expressions in your speaking modules. All the best.